Hi everyone, it's Maureen of Maureen97 Designs. Long time no see. I, for some reason, just stopped filming videos in December. Part of it was that I wasn't doing as much quilting because I all of a sudden got interested in doing some other kinds of stitching projects like cross stitch and slow stitch and stuff like that. And part of it was I lost the memory card to my video camera and I had to get a new one. And then also I was just lazy. So anyway, I decided to ease myself back into filming with a little unboxing, and I don't know if you can read this. This is from Laundry Basket Quilts. Edita Sitar has designed some of the most beautiful fabrics. I just love her fabrics from Andover, and she actually sells this kind of scrap bag-ish type of thing in her store, laundrybasketquilts.com. And every time I look in the store, it's out of stock. And just a few days ago, I happened to get lucky. I went into the shop and there were some of them available, so I bought it. It's pretty pricey, but as you can see, it's this medium flat rate priority mailbox, and it's pretty full. Not like stuffed to the gills where it's hard to close and you have to get someone to sit on it to close it kind of thing, but pretty full. So I wanted to just go through with you, if you're not familiar with Laundry Basket Quilts fabric designs, then this would be a great way for you to see a whole bunch of different ones. And if you're already a fan, you can see what might be in a box if you're ever lucky enough to get to the store and they're in stock. So let's dig right in. Let me actually move this to the side. And so the neat thing about the Laundry Basket Quilts is they have a lot of really great neutrals. And so there's like these tan ones, and they have really, it's like a tone on tone. They have really delicate patterns on them, so they're great for backgrounds. But then she also has these really beautiful floral designs that I really love. And a lot of her collections actually go together. I'm not sure if she planned it that way. She probably did, but she just has some really beautiful fabrics. Look, you can see there's leaves and little acorns. So cute. This one I have not seen before. It's got like a lock and flowers and a bee and a bird and like rabbits. I don't know what collection this is from. That's really cool. Then of course she has some nice, they look like solids, but they actually have a very nice texture to them, but they read as solids. And the other thing is I really like her color palette. She does a lot of kind of more muted colors, and let me take out this whole stack since it's all together and it kind of matches. So a lot of these are turning out to be strips. I think what they are is end of bolts after they get through cutting maybe like their quilt kits. So a lot of strips, but you can see this is actually pretty wide. Let me see on my table here. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, almost 6 inches wide, so that's a good size. You could totally make a scrappy quilt out of what's in this box. It would do great. You could do a string quilt. That would be great. You could also do maybe like a postage stamp quilt. That would look awesome too. But I really just love all these designs, and I like that there's so much different designs in here. I'm not sure if I'm going to get a lot of duplicates of fabrics, because so far it looks like I haven't gotten any duplicates yet. Okay, here's one duplicate. You saw that little strip earlier of this beautiful blue floral, and this is actually a much larger piece. This one 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, it's over 8 inches wide. So that's a really good size. You could do a lot with that. And then some of these. And then there are a few of these skinnier strips. These would be great for string quilts. I don't think I've seen this one before either. It's got a little horse's heads. Oh, this is just gorgeous. I really like this one too. I mean, I love all her fabrics, so here's another solid. Here's another great background and a solid. And some more florals. She does some really pretty florals. She also does a lot of great, these are like backgrounders too for your quilts. I like these spotted ones. And these are just little lines with squares. And then this design is really pretty. And I'm not even halfway down the box. This is another solid. And then this goes along with that blue floral. You can see the little pluses in the background and then the same floral designs, but in just this neutral kind of cream and tan colors. And a cute little flower print. Some more of this little branchy background. Here's another great background, and inside is a floral. Just a lot of florals and kind of leafy backgrounds. I guess I got a few of that one, but that's good because that's a nice neutral background I can use for a lot of things. And some more of the polka dots. This strip is a real solid. I'm not sure what this is from. This actually might not be Laundry Baskets, but who knows. I'm not the expert. I'm just a fan. So, yeah. Oh, and some more of that horse head print. And a lot of these different blues, pinks. I really like the blues and pinks, so this is great. Here's another big piece, or a few big pieces actually. Some more of this fabric, but that's great because I really love this design. And some more of that, I think it's called Olive Branch, this one. And seriously, I still got a bunch left to go. Oh, this is really cute. They're little baskets. And stars. Some more polka dots. Some more of that plus background floral in the neutrals. Some more of the olive branch. I don't know if I'll be able to figure out what any of these are from the selvages because a lot of them are just cut off, and so I'm not sure. But I have a bunch of her fabrics that I bought separately, so maybe I can match them up. Yeah. And then for something like this thin, I might not want to use that for a string quilt, but I actually have been working on little heart patches that I make with tiny little scraps. And so I could actually use those really skinny scraps for that project. But I'm talking about really the littlest fabrics you can imagine, because even something like this, I would rather use for a string quilt than that project. It's actually too big for my project. I'd have to cut it way down. So, wow, a lot of great stuff in here. Oh, And it's such a surprise to open up a piece of fabric and there's different ones inside. Olive branch, that's solid, more polka dots. Beautiful. This is something more along the lines of what I would use for my scrap hearts. Something really skinny like that. So there's a few pieces in here that I would want to use for that project. One here is a batik. Okay, that's it. So, if you want to check it out in total, here is my scrap box from Laundry Basket Quilts. I am really, really happy. I said it's pricey. Altogether with shipping, it cost me almost $100. So, yeah. But I got a lot of great designs, stuff that I would use. So that's really great. I can think of how many projects I can make with all of this, either little ones or bigger ones. So I'm super happy. So if you want to check it out, I'll link the actual product down below. I'll put the Laundry Basket website itself, but then also the direct link to the scrap boxes. And hopefully if you're interested in one, you get lucky one of these days when you click on that. So anyway, thanks for watching. I hope to be back soon with more content, so I guess we'll just have to wait and see. Bye.